This is going to be a tutorial how to use Mortar Killer for beginners. So here is Mortar Killer. This is how it looks when I start it up. This here is the FOV slider. It should match your FOV in PUBG. This is the scale loading mechanism. We haven't saved anything yet. And this is the resolution setup. We shouldn't touch it if we're using PUBG in borderless mode, like I do right now. The program is overlaid over the game, so the game is in borderless mode. The resolution of PUBG is same as in Windows, it auto-detects. However, if we're using some sort of custom resolution in full screen you have to play, you're gonna have to press this and enter your resolution here and tick the full screen box. And save. Let's say you have everything set up. Now you're gonna have to set a scale. That is how big the 100-meter grid is for you right now. You select the size of the map that you like. The only condition is that you see the 100-meter squares. You can see them here somewhat. And you need the size to not be like this zoomed in, so things actually fit on your screen. So now I press Alt-Q on the left side of the square, and I press Alt-W on the right side of the square. Now, where do I shoot? I want to hit this mountain there. I sit on the mortar, I press Alt-A on myself, I press Alt-S on the tip of the mark, I aim at the mark on the compass. Now at this point it's different for everyone. For example, if I'm using borderless mode, I bring up my cursor using Alt-F. It just puts the Mortar Killer window over the game. But if you're using full screen, you either bring up the cursor using Win or Win-P, or with F9, or even with Escape. You just have to somehow bring up the cursor in FPP view. And then it's the same for everyone. You put the cursor over the mark, just slightly above the tip, and hit Alt-F. It gives you the shooting results. You aim using the one that's in green, and you just shoot as many as you want using that selected angle. Boom, it hit. Let's shoot something else. Let's hit that peak there. So Alt-A on myself, Alt-S on the tip, Alt-F, Alt-F, 503. The key sequence is going to obviously be different. If you're using full screen mode, you're just going to be bringing up the cursor using another button. Okay, now I have to show you how to use the scale, save and load system. Here, if I have done Alt-Q or W, I can save it into any one of these slots. Right now, there's nothing in them because I haven't saved anything. So here I'm saving the training scale, or then later I can load it using this button. And you're not gonna have to do Alt-Q or W. I just recommend you to find the scale on the maps you like and just use that constantly, loading it with one click.